How to log in to Fortnite. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to log into your Fortnite account but feeling a bit stuck, don't worry at all. First of all, launch open Fortnite game on your device. Once you're inside this homepage, click the Sign in to Epic Games button at the bottom of the screen. You'll need to log in entering your Epic Games credentials to play Fortnite on your Android or iOS. Wait until it opens and takes you to the epicgames.com sign-in area. Now, once you see this page, go ahead and select one of the accounts you want to sign in to Epic Games with from the top, or if you have created an account with email, click on the Sign in with Email tab and enter your email address. Once you do that, click the Continue button. Now enter your password for your Epic Games account in the text box. After you are done, click Sign in. If you don't remember your password for your Epic Games account, click on Forgot Password and follow through the steps. Right after you do that, click on this Yes Continue button on the next page and then go ahead and set up two-factor authentication if you want. If you don't, you can also skip that. Check if your information is correct and you have successfully logged in to Fortnite. So that is how it's easily done. Once you've logged in, you are ready to jump straight into the action and enjoy Fortnite with your friends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.